What's good, BitRushers? My name's Skyler, and you're watching BitRush Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 tips and tricks to make extra money with NFTs. 2 of them you need very little startup capital, if any at all. And the third one's just going to help you save quite a bit on your mints. If all that sounds good, please do stick around. Before we get into the video, make sure you tap on that thumbs up. You can find links for everything relating to the video and my channel in the description below. If you're not already, consider subbing to the channel, and here we go. Okay, so you're probably thinking, yeah, I want to buy NFTs, I want to get in on this recent market trend, but you look at the prices and this is a little bit ridiculous. Probably see myself and other influencers out here spending thousands of dollars on NFTs, and you're wondering, how can you guys do this as just like a regular person out there or whatever? And I feel you, because honestly I want to buy more NFTs constantly, and I just don't have the cash to continue to invest in every single project that I want to. I have to, limit my purchases and not go overboard with them. Not trying to cash out all my altcoins and everything like that. So I'm going to share with you guys just a couple tips and tricks that you guys can use to get into the NFT space, to maybe earn some extra money with NFTs, doing very little and spending very little amounts of money. So the first way we're going to talk about is just go ahead and hop on your Twitter account and come on over to crypto Twitter. You guys can search in here and find some hashtags, and basically there's lots and lots of new crypto projects and even old crypto projects that have recently launched that are trying to still continue to promote their project, but basically NFT projects that want promotion. And in addition to that, there's other channels that are doing promotion of their channel, of their pages, all kinds of different drops. So coming over to Twitter, you can find quite a bit of contests, and we actually have one going on at the CryptoPumpkins NFT at CryptoPumpkins. If you guys want, go over there and check that one out. We're doing it every single week, so we're going to do a drop every single week over here. But in addition to the pumpkins, like I said, you can search the hashtags, and there's literally hundreds, if not thousands of these things, guys. And all you have to do is give it a heart, retweet it, and then go in the comments and tag 3 friends, okay? You could literally sit around and do this all day, and you're probably going to be pretty successful. Each one of these NFTs is going to be a couple hundred, if not thousands of dollars, depending on what project you get into and what drops you get. And the odds here aren't bad. If you look, there's only been 82 people that have actually been entered, so that's decent odds for you. 1 out of 80 isn't bad, but it's not great either. It's not like 1 in 10 or something, but it's still pretty good odds. It's way better than the lottery. You have like 1 in 100 million chances of winning. With the contests like this, you literally have 1 in 100, 1 in a couple hundred, sometimes 1 in 1,000 odds, which are pretty good. So the one thing I will say is your friends are probably going to get kind of mad at you if you're spamming them all day with these contests. So you may want to just pick and choose a couple so you don't lose all your followers. The second thing is, don't try to set up a fake account, because most of these use the same software to do their drops. I can tell you from doing ours, it filters out people that don't have at least like 100 followers, that don't have a profile picture, that their account hasn't been open for more than a couple weeks, and maybe they don't have more than like 10 tweets on their account. Because what it's trying to do is get rid of all the bots, get rid of all the just fake accounts that people might set up 2-3 accounts to do something like this. So it's going to filter those ones out. So make sure you're using your real account, and again, you don't want to lose all the followers on your real account. So make sure you're not just like spamming everyone. Pick and choose the couple that you like. Get into them. You'll see that I quite often on mine, I'll do a couple a week. I try not to do too much. Again, I don't want to spam my followers or anything, but to me, I feel like it's good odds if I can just retweet something and have a chance of winning, possibly a couple $100 to a couple $1,000. Even if I don't necessarily like that particular NFT, you could drop it for floor or for whatever it's worth and cash out and buy an NFT you do like. So these contests are really a great way, guys, that you can get in and earn money. And again, like I said, it's absolutely free. All you're doing is retweeting and liking and tagging a couple friends. You probably have a couple friends that like NFTs. So let's just look at a hashtag like NFTs. Just do a quick search here. So just right off the top, first thing on the tag right there on NFT hashtag. There's lots of other NFT hashtags you guys can search: NFT community, collectors, all kinds of things. Go and do a little research. But look right here, we have a drop. We keep coming down. We'll probably find a couple more. So this one looks like a drop. Lots of them, guys. So just do a little research here, do some searching. You can find so many drops, so many opportunities to get in, and it's a very little effort, low effort, high odds, high return. High return on investment. You're going to spend a couple minutes looking and retweeting, and you're going to possibly get back a few $100s. So that's a great strategy for you. Again, if you want to check out ours, it is at the Crypto Pumpkins. And this one drops on Friday, so depending on when you guys see it, you'll have a few days. You get to choose either or of these, and we're going to be doing another one next week and every week until we actually have our giveaway. So make sure you guys get over there, follow the Crypto Pumpkins, and get in on some of our drops. So the next way we're going to talk about to earn free NFTs and to enter contests is over on Discord. So Discord basically has the same thing going on. A lot of them will have like whoever gets the most invites. So there might be a contest for just, going out there and inviting all your friends to the Discord server, and whoever gets the most invites that week will get a reward, or they'll do a drawing for whoever, invites more than 10 people or 20 people or whatever it is, guys. There's all kinds of Discord things going on too. So you can hop over on Discord and you can find all sorts of giveaways and free things going on there as well. It's the exact same strategy as before, just on Discord. You're going to invite a few people, possibly invite the most people. We actually have a good little thing in our Twitter group that if you want to hop in there and share your link, as long as it's nothing like super bad, it's a decent project, I'll leave your link up, and people will often join just to help you out so you can get your couple things. And we also have a great group over there on Telegram, so go ahead and hop in my Telegram chat group. It is linked below, 100% free. You guys can chat with all of us. And also, if you want to be involved in the Crypto Pumpkins, why don't you join up on the Discord here. Again, we are doing that giveaway over there on Twitter. And then we're also doing another giveaway, which is the final tip I'm going to teach you. So the first two were kind of the same. One is, basically on Twitter, sharing and retweeting. And the second one is over on Discord, just inviting a bunch of people and possibly winning prizes that way. But there's also another thing on Twitter, which is the one that does cost you a little bit of money. So if you win free NFTs, they're absolutely 100% free. You do need to pay the listing fee and whatever the percentage is to OS or wherever you sell it, and then you're going to need to pay a little bit to transfer it and cash it out. So there is a little bit of gas fee associated with trading NFTs, even if you get them for free. But for anyone who's already getting in, there's another great way that you guys can save. So now any NFT projects that have even a small amount of hype behind them are often having what we're calling gas wars. If you don't know what a gas war is, it's when someone wants to mint that NFT more than you do. They want to get as many as they can and they want to get them in quick. And so when these projects have their mints, people are cranking their GUI on the gas all the way up to like 2,000-3,000. We're seeing the price of the NFTs actually double and triple on the mint price simply because of the amount of gas that you have to average in with that. So it's really hard for a small guy to compete with that. You end up paying way over value, especially if you're only trying to buy like one NFT. It kind of makes sense if you're buying 20, 30 of them if you're a whale and you want to just, grab all of them and then do another transaction, try to get like 20, 50, 100 of these things. But if you're just a regular NFT user and you're just like, I just want one of these NFTs, paying a high amount of gas does not make sense. So the next way that you guys can save a little bit on gas fees when you are minting is to get into pre-sale. So almost every project out there has a pre-sale list, a white list for people that join their community early, who get in, who help. It's going to be a similar strategy to earlier inviting people into the community. However, this one's a little bit different because you don't actually win anything. It's not a contest. You're just getting whitelisted. Your address is getting put on a list that allows you to then get in a day before everyone. And, you're thinking, oh, a day really isn't that big of a deal. And it's not really that big a deal, but getting in a day early, what that does is it saves you on the gas. Okay, you're not going to have to compete with everyone else in pre-sale. People aren't cranking up the gas because they know they're going to get their NFT no matter what. And so you can get in with a very low gas fee. And oftentimes, if you're able to mint 2 or 3, if you're a collector, you're just looking to keep maybe 1 or keep 2, you can flip 1 or 2 on pre-sale to the rest of the people who don't have pre-sale access for often sometimes 2 or 3 times what you just paid. So literally, if you could mint 3, you can sell 2 of them, and if both of them are at double, you're now up and you still have a free NFT. So it's a really great strategy to not only like get NFTs if you're flipping and do things like that, but also just in general, if you're a collector and you want to save on gas, like who wants to pay 2 or 3 times the amount that the NFT is for sale just to try to get that transaction through? It doesn't make sense, guys. It's a lot smarter and a lot easier to just get in the community, be involved, invite a few people. Most of these pre-sales are a lot much bigger than what the Pumpkins project is going to be. So you have to invite 10 members to chat, and that's going to enter you access to get a pre-sale. If you want, we're going to do giveaways every week to give these away to people. And since there's very few people right now that have that, it's like 7 people, I think. So if not a lot more people hop in on that and invite 10 or more people, most likely all of them will get a key. So it's going to be a really great contest here. If you guys want, you have at least 10 friends you think you can invite, it's a really great chance to get in on pre-sale for my Pumpkins project. However, most other projects that have about 10,000 NFTs that they're launching and dropping have a much lower number of entry. For example, here we have the DGen gang. I actually got into their pre-sale and I had to invite 3 people. So inviting 3 people, I got whitelisted, and now if I want, I can go in and buy these NFTs the day before. I'm still debating if I'm going to get in on this project or not, guys. I'm just using this as an example. It was one that I did. So if you guys want, you can check that out. But basically, the strategy works for across the board everywhere. So if you guys want, hop in mine over here at the Crypto Pumpkins will be listed below. Go check out the website too. The website is up, CryptoPumpkins.com, and you guys will get a chance to earn a pre-sale spot. And in addition to that, if you comment on today's video and leave your Ethereum address on that comment, you'll also be entered for a chance to get one of the skull keys. I'm going to drop a couple of them on today's video. So if you guys want pre-sale on mine, there's lots of ways to do it. You can go retweet over on Twitter, and we're going to start dropping some keys over there too. You can get in Discord here, invite a few friends, you can comment on today's video, and hopefully these tips and tricks will help you guys, especially if you don't have a whole lot of money to spend on NFTs and you want to just kind of get into the game for free, or at least save on your mints. These are all really great tips to do that. Again, the Crypto Pumpkins website is up, CryptoPumpkins.com. It will be linked below, so go over here and check this out. Follow us on Twitter, join our Discord. We're only having 666 pumpkins, so if you guys want to be involved in my project, the pre-sale is going to be key. That's everything for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Again, leave a comment below with your ETH address for a chance to win. Go over there on Twitter, join the Discord, and happy hunting for you guys. Share this video. Make sure you click the thumbs up on it. Sub to the channel if you want more great content on NFTs, DeFi, and crypto trading. Happy crypto, and let's get those NFTs.